Hello my country people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Venny Eyes. Yay! Thank you so much for the 904 subscribers. I'm really grateful. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers within this year. I want us to complete 1,000 subscribers. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Welcome back to the family. For the new subscribers, welcome to this crazy family. Yay! I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Thank you, God. Thank you, everyone, for those who are trying their best to get me to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. You can follow me on my Facebook page, Instagram, everywhere. You can stalk me, talk to me, share anything. If you want me to do any look, tell me. I'm trying my best to at least record a video thrice a week. I don't know what's going on, but I'll try my best and record a video 3 times a week. So this is what I'm going to do today. On this one side, I'm going to use a brow pen, and on the other side, I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil. Yes. As for the products I'm gonna use, I'm going to put a picture up there. Okay. So kindly don't mind my hair. Don't mind my hair. Kindly subscribe, like, share, give a comment, share anything. Like, comment anything, your ideas. Tell me, talk to me. I'm here. Yeah. I'm here. Yes. So let's go. So guys, you might be wondering, what is she looking down there? I'm looking at my mirror. Yes. I'm looking at my mirror. Yeah. What did you just say? Ebu mwambie sorry. Guys, what do I do with these kids? Fill it in. Push. No, nitafuta. Bebe. Nenda kwa daktari ampime. Ndio. Kwa daktari. Peleka kwa daktari huko. Kuna daktari. Mtoto ni mgonjwa. Anakufa. So guys, do you see that? See? 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 I'll do my other eye off camera. So guys, can you tell which side is the brow side and which side is the eye pencil side? So on this side I used the brow pen, and on this side I used the eye pencil. Yeah, so that's all about doing your eyebrows as a beginner. Yay! Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button.
Right here,
Subscribe.
like, share, comment. I need those comments. Yeah, I need them.
There. Right there. Don't mind my hair. I love you all.